If you want to enhance your security on Etsy by removing old devices from your account settings, follow these simple steps to ensure that your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by visiting the Etsy website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account management options. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to access your security settings where you can manage devices and other security features. Step 4. Review connected devices. Within the security settings, find the section that lists all devices currently connected to your account. This will show you the devices that have access to your Etsy account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Identify the old devices that you no longer use or recognize. Next to each device, there should be an option to remove or disconnect it. Click on this option for each device you wish to remove. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Etsy account, helping to keep your information secure. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to maintain your account's safety.